You can tell someone watches a lot of Family Feud if they pet parrot keeps saying what?
Good answer.
Good answer.
What?
What? What?
Fast money.
Fast money.
Steve Harvey.
Steve Harvey.
Survey says.
Survey says.
Family Feud.
Family Feud.
Let's play the feud.
Let's play the feud.
We're gonna play.
We're gonna play.
$20,000. Name something. Show me. Top answer is